This video walks you through how to view the Gusto activity log. If you are already signed in to Gusto, begin from the home page. This is the starting point for the activity log, so make sure you are on the main dashboard before continuing. Once you are there, scroll down the page until you reach the Recent Activity section. This area shows a short preview of recent updates tied to your account. On the right side of the Recent Activity section, click View All Activity. That opens the full activity area where you can look beyond the limited preview shown on the home page. After the Notifications page opens, look for the Activity tab and click it. If you land on another tab first, make sure Activity is selected so you are viewing the account activity history rather than a different set of notifications. With the Activity tab open, review the entries displayed on the page. These entries can include updates such as employees or contractors recently added to your Gusto account. Depending on your account activity, you may see several entries listed together, each reflecting a separate action or update. Take a moment to scan the list and identify the item you want to check more closely. If you want to open the profile connected to a specific activity entry, click View Profile beside that item. This takes you directly to the associated employee or contractor profile. It is useful when you want to move from the activity history into the person's record without searching for them separately. After reviewing the profile, you can return to the Activity tab if you need to keep looking through the log. If you want to change which activity entries appear, use the Filter option in the upper right area of the page. Click Filter to open the available choices. You will see options for Open and Dismissed. Select Open if you want to view active activity notifications that are still current on the page. Select Dismissed if you want to view notifications that have already been dismissed and are no longer shown in the active view. Once you choose the filter you want, review the activity history shown under that selection. This lets you focus on the type of notifications you need, whether you are checking current account updates or looking back at items that were dismissed earlier. If needed, switch between the filter options again until the page shows the activity history you want to see. Thanks for watching. You have now viewed the Gusto activity log and reviewed the activity history you wanted to see.